Hey guys, welcome back to part 5 of the Stylish Sketchbook series. I hope you'll like this simple painting. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
Not even they can stop me now. Boy, I'll be flying over, and heavy words can't bring me down. Boy, I've been erased from the dead. No one even knows how hard life was, and I don't even think about it now because I finally found you. Well, sing it to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar and I know you. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. American dreams came true somehow. I swore I'd chase until I was dead. I heard the streets were paved with gold. That's what my father said. No one even knows what life was like. Now I'm in LA and it's paradise. I finally found you. Well, sing it to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar and I know you. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Well, how do you like me now? You sing it to me. Now my life is sweet like cinnamon, like a fucking dream I'm living in. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Oh, pick me up and take me like a vitamin, 'cause my body's sweet like sugar and I know you. And baby, love me 'cause I'm playing on the radio. Not even they can stop me now. Boy, I'll be flying over, and heavy words can't bring me down. somehow. I swore I'd chase until I was dead. I heard the streets were paved with gold. That's what my father said. No one even knows what life was like